Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling user account control on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I have to do something up to the search menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And then up at the top right, select the view by and select the large icons. And then you want to go down and select where it says security and maintenance. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select change user account control settings. And then on the right side, you want to just drag this little bar up to at least where it says notify me when apps try to make changes to your computer. And then select OK. And then that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.